Adding a profile picture frame on Facebook is easy. In this video, I will show you how to add a frame to your profile picture in just a few simple steps. By the end of this video, you'll be able to add any frame you want to your profile picture on Facebook. So make sure to watch this video until the very end. To get started, first open up the Facebook mobile application and then tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the menu screen, tap on your name to go to your profile. So now what you want to do next is tap on your profile picture. And as you can see, there is the option to add frames to your Facebook profile picture. So go ahead and tap on Add Frame. And it will show you a couple of popular frames. Simply tap on See All to view all of the popular frames available on Facebook. So now you can scroll down and tap on any frame that you like. And then you will see a little preview of what the frame is going to look like with your profile picture. If you are happy with it, tap on Save at the top right corner of the screen to add the frame to your profile picture. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.